You can see this.
Put it.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
No, no. Alright, so upon checking, I have realized that the crystal here, which is the 48 megahertz crystal, I saw some corrosion on this section here. Because I checked A13 and A14, which is the main clock, 100 megahertz clock for the PCI Express, right? So I assumed that the crystal was working. But upon checking, I found some corrosion and there was a broken trace there that is connected for the clock, reference clock crystal here for the 48 megahertz, right? So I wasn't getting PLT reset because the clock module inside of the CPU, which is a clock reference, which is a reference clock of 48 megahertz, was not working properly. So the hard start wasn't complete. So the hard start is complete when we get PLT reset signal at the A11 pin of the PCI Express slot, and that indicates the hard start is complete, and then the soft start will start initialize, and to initialize the PCI Express card, the LAN card, right, audio, right, and the MUX. Right, so this is the order for the soft start. So I'm going to check again, and I will see if I'm getting PLT reset now. So I'll give power and turn on. As you can see, we have lights and the LED lights inside of the power supply. Alright, so take a look at the CPU power supply now. As you can see, it's changed. I get 1.4. Before I was getting 1.0 volts. Right, so before I was getting 1.0, that was the incorrect voltage. Let's check A11, 3.3 volts. See it? I'm getting 3.3 volts, so PLT reset is okay. So, and the clock on one side, I get 0.9. On the other side, I get 0.8. So that's a 0.01 voltage difference. Right, so all the rails, this is for the Northbridge core supply, 1.4, VDDCR 1.0 volts, right, VDD Northbridge, this is the CPU core, sorry, this is the Northbridge core supply, 1.0, 1.0, 1.0, and the core supply is 1.4, right, and everything is okay now. So let me connect the keyboard and see caps lock. Alright, let me shut down, go again. There we go. So the cap stock is there. So that indicates that the machine is fully booted. Alright, so for this one, the caps are, I think it's in the BIOS now. This is an HDMI. So let's see if we get anything on the display. Oh, it's off. Let me turn it off. Alright, let me wait for the so I give power. Okay, cap stock. Oh, this one is coming through the PCI Express. I'm not getting anything here, so maybe I will need a graphics card. So I need a graphics card for this to give external display out. I do have, this is a DVI, I don't have any other connection. Alright, so that's it. So the board is fixed.